Hello, I'm Kyle from Rig Gear Adventure, and today I'm going to introduce you to our 60-inch RIGG strap kit. Our patented RIGG strap system is used for our saddlebags, our backpack, our duffel bags, our roll bags, and when our customers started seeing how these straps worked and how easy they were to use, they started requesting a kit that they could purchase separately. After doing quite a bit of research, we found that somewhere between our current length and 60 inches in length is what our customers were really looking for. An adjustable strap that could hook to just about anything and be completely adjustable. The cam hook here is made from an aircraft grade aluminum, and the web strapping can be tied to just about anything. The looped ends allow for a soft tie type attachment to nearly any bar, slot, rack, or frame rail. The RIGG strap system can be used for a variety of gear tie-down options. Please note that the pull force of this strap is 100 pounds. These are not intended for motorcycle tie-down or for towing. Now, a great feature or benefit is the fact that these straps feature a 5-year warranty. If they get tattered or torn, contact us and we will replace your straps. All right, now it's time to get into the installation of our RIGG strap with patented cam buckle. The installation is really simple, and this is how it comes out of the package. We've got our looped end over here that goes around that patented aluminum cam hook. This is a great feature. I love that piece. Now we're going to open up our strap keeper here, and that's going to give us access to our 60 inches of strap or webbing. Now this is going to be really easy. We're going to girth hitch one end of the motorcycle on this side, and then we're going to have the strap that's going to go up and over our gear. It's going to go through the rack on the other side and then attach back to itself. Now, when attaching these straps to the motorcycle, I usually go opposite. So I'm going to girth hitch to one side and then use our RIGG strap to attach to the other side. I'm going to do exactly the opposite at the other end. That way we get this crossways motion of the strap. That's going to provide an even distribution when pulling the straps tight. So the girth hitch process is really simple. We're going to send our looped end down through the rack or whatever bar or pole that you're attaching to. We're then going to pass the buckle through that same loop and pull everything tight. That's going to give us a nice, secure girth hitch against the rack. We're now going to move to the front of the rack and girth hitch to the opposite side. Now that we have both of the RIGG straps attached to the motorcycle, we get to decide how exactly we want to tie down our gear. You can go directly across one side and the other, or you can crisscross the straps. In this particular installation, we're going to go straight across. Pulling our strap up and over our gear bag here, we're going to go ahead and take the looped end of our strap here. We're going to go down through the luggage rack and attach it to our patented cam hook. We're then going to pull the excess out and move to the back. Now that we have both straps attached, we're going to make sure that they're both nice and tight, and now we're going to roll up the extra webbing onto itself and tuck it under the strap keeper. This process is really simple. You just roll the strap back on itself, adjust the strap keeper. Now you're going to want to make sure that the back side of this strap keeper is underneath the strap. Set the excess in place, and now we're going to attach the hook and loop, and we have a nice finished product. One of my favorite parts about the RIGG strap kit is the fact that you can leave it on the motorcycle when you're done utilizing it for whatever you're carrying. And then you have it again for whenever you need it. When not in use, the RIGG strap can be attached to your rear rack or stowed away in other inconspicuous parts of the motorcycle. This ensures that you always have a tie down when you need it most. When the use of the RIGG strap is finished, simply reconnect the RIGG strap to the motorcycle, pull tight, and tuck away the tail. And there you have it, guys. The installation or use of the RIGG strap with patented cam hook is super simple. You can use these on just about anything. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there. And if you'd like to learn more about these straps, please visit Nelson-Rigg.com.